Excuse me?
One pregnant woman at a time, please.
So, of course, you weren't very obvious to make that happen?
Maybe. Yeah. Yeah. What kind of music is that's off the kid?
Okay, look, my excuses about this. But I really think I can do it. I'm just gonna need some help. And Bob has been here the whole time.
To answer your earlier question, we're straight up